cafe. Let's see what we have here. Right. Search for my stock. I don't know. Hey everyone, I'm so sure that all of you were some point beginners in the stock market and you probably faced a similar situation as in the beginnings of the videos. If this is the first time that you step into stock market, you probably wonder, what stock should I buy? How do I choose a stock? What price should I buy in? And whether my purchase will make me a profit. I bet all of you asked a similar question before because I'm also the one that asked the same question. So today, I'm going to bring you guys along with me to together understand how to analyze and pick a stock in the stock market by following these two basic ways: fundamental analysis and technical analysis. When it comes to evaluate a stock, we as beginners often found it is miserable to do so because we don't actually know where to start. And I bet the only thing that newcomers can understand is the stock price. No worries, here I study and summarize up how both fundamental and technical analysis work, and I promise after you watch these videos, you will at least have some ideas on how you can evaluate and pick a stock by your own. So keep watching and don't forget to smash the like button. So what is fundamental and technical analysis? Fundamental analysis is evaluate a company based on measuring its intrinsic value or how much actually the company worth in value behind the stock price. Using this analysis technique, we will evaluate a company based on the overall economy, industry condition, financial situation, and look at the management behind the company. Besides purely look at the price, what we do is study on the financial report like profit and loss, cash flow, financial statement, and look at what is the overall company structure to define what is the company direction and what is the goal of the company in long term, so we can decide whether the company has the underlying value that is worth for us to invest in long term. Fundamental analysis is picking a stock based on the company value. Technical analysis, on the other hand, is different from fundamental analysis. By using this technique, we identify opportunity by looking at statistical trends such as movement in stock price or volume data. In these cases, we don't calculate any underlying value or predict the future of the company. But what we do is we look at the chart pattern and trend, support and resistance level, and price and volume behavior to help us decide and identify trading opportunity that is favorable for us in short term. Alright, until this point, I hope you already have a simple understanding on technical analysis and fundamental analysis. And I will now create a scenario to help you understand in depth about the difference between both. Imagine a fundamental analyst, James, and a technical analyst, Anthony, trying to decide which store in the shopping mall they want to invest in. James goes into every store, observing the product being sold, store layout, financial statement to help him decide which store he wants to buy. What James is looking at is a great fundamental like a great product, responsible management, and so on. Anthony, on the other hand, sits in a cafe and uses his laptop to check the stock chart of these various stores. He looks to see which store is performed the best based on the price of the stock and look at the historical pattern which have a strong upward trend. In Anthony's case, he did not consider any product or management factors inside his analysis because he's assumed that these factors are already being factored inside the stock price. In fact, he can analyze this company by not being there. James' decision to buy will be based on the future of the company, where he believes the stock price of the company will be worth more in long term than the current price. On the other hand, Anthony's decision to buy will be based on the suggestion of the historical trend, where it will show a strong upward trend. At the end, they may buy a same store, but their reasoning of investing will be totally different. To summarize up the whole videos, fundamental analysis is you doing a one-time in-depth research about a whole company. And after you feel confident about the company that you choose, you invest your money in, leave it alone for long-term growth. Technical analysis, on the other hand, is you sitting in front on your laptop, and when the market is open, you will be looking at the price and the trend of the stock to strategize what is your move in the stock market. Both analysis technique has its own idea behind, so I will try to make a series of videos covers up the topics like financial report, structures, historical patterns, stock price, volume data, and so on. I personally think it will be a really interesting series of videos to make, so I hope you can subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for it. Essentially, that sums up for today's videos. I hope you enjoy and found some value from my videos. If you do so, please consider to help me smash the like buttons and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time.